The OSD ARC series of Pendant loudspeakers are ideal for both 70 volt and 8 ohm residential and commercial installations. Their rugged construction and sleek contemporary design allows for them to be used in a wide variety of locations and applications. Proven audiophile materials are used for the drivers, and the ported enclosures ensure great bass. Multiple mounting options allow for easy placement and great sound coverage. OSD ARC, great sound everywhere.